Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the last lesson. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Guam. Now, let's test what you remember. Is Guam located in the Atlantic Ocean? No, Guam is located in the Pacific Ocean. Is Guam part of the United States? Yes, Guam is an unincorporated territory of the U.S. Did the U.S. acquire Guam after the Spanish-American War? Yes, the U.S. got Guam from Spain after that war. Was Guam occupied by Japan during World War II? Yes, Japan occupied Guam during World War II. Do people in Guam use U.S. dollars? Yes, they use the U.S. dollar. Can residents of Guam vote for the U.S. president? No, they cannot vote in presidential elections. Is Guam a major U.S. military base in the Pacific? Yes, it hosts several important U.S. military bases. What is the name of the indigenous people of Guam? They are called the Chamorro people. Is tourism a key part of Guam's economy? Yes, tourism is very important for Guam. Is Guam closer to Japan than to California? Yes, Guam is much closer to Japan than to the U.S. mainland. Watch this feedback video several times to reinforce what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with our amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.